Oh yeah, it's super high up.
You really can't walk today.
Whoa.
It's still beautiful though. Ah! Ah!
What's up guys, we're back with the Tropics. I don't know who we're playing. We took a couple weeks off. We had Super Bowl weekend, we didn't have a game, and last weekend we had President's Day weekend, we didn't have a game. I don't know if we're gonna have some ring rust or not. I doubt it. I'm super eager to get back in the net. I don't know, I'm feeling a shutout. I haven't gotten a shutout in beer league, and I don't think I've gotten a shutout in beer league, which is crazy. For anybody who plays beer league or adult league knows it's super difficult to snag one of those. So I'm aiming for 1 goal allowed or even a shutout. High hopes, but anyways, shout out to everyone for the support, all the comments, and make sure you drop a like and a subscribe before you guys exit today, and we're gonna hop right into the video. You again, bro. Every time. It's always, bro. I know, dude. It's gonna be a clip. It is. It's gonna be a clip. It is. Oh, yeah. I don't know if that was. We just scored. It's 1-0. 14 minutes and 50 seconds left in the first period. just scored. It's 3-2. 13 minutes and 30 seconds left in the second period. We just scored to tie it. It's 3-3. 7 minutes and 40 seconds left in the second period. We just scored. It's 4-3. 16 minutes left in the third period. We just scored to make it 5-3. 14 minutes left in the third period. Ten minutes left in the game. We just scored. It's 6-3. 8 minutes and 30 seconds left in the third period.
But I didn't want to hit his hand. You almost got it. Keep it low. Again, it'll count for anyone. Where's the other guy? Didn't stop that shit? I got
We're not gonna count that last one.